In this video, I'm going to give you a simple formula and strategy to put email list building into easy mode to make money here online. It starts with a super simple squeeze page that identifies a problem. Like you can see here, are you tired of skyrocketing energy bills and feeling trapped by monopolistic companies? The problem, rising energy costs and dependence on big energy. Scroll down, this lead magnet is then turned into an opt-in form to add people to an email list if they want to see the solution to this problem. I found this product over at Clickbank. To use this as an example, note that I am not telling you to promote this product. I'm just using this as an example because it is the perfect way, because offers over at Clickbank do a really good job at setting up affiliate pages and sales pages that you can use as a really good example of what you need to understand when you're ready to move to an actual strategy like my proven top strategy, where you start and you generate traffic over to an offer and you're ready to build a super simple lead magnet like the squeeze page that I just showed you, and let AI do that. And I'm going to show you the tool here in a second that did that, that allows us to build that super simple lead magnet, create that opt-in form all in one tool, and then add people to an email list to ultimately simplify or put this into easy mode with this proven top strategy of traffic to an offer that solves a problem, and then adding people to an email list so you can follow up with them. So we go back to Clickbank and we're looking at this ultimate off-grid generator juggernaut Tesla offer, and we're just simply going to click here and go view the sales page. This is the sales page, has a lot going on, and there's a lot of great information here. And all we need to do is feed this into the AI and let people know that we have this short video that is going to show them how to solve their problem and some other information. Again, that AI is going to create a lead magnet for us using all this information from the sales page to let people know about this amazing offer that solves this problem that they have. And again, what we're doing here is we're building a super simple lead magnet. This lead magnet is tapping into a problem that people have that they want to solve. The problem being here, rising energy costs and dependence on big energy. And they simply then, to get the answer, they need to click here, add their name and their email to opt into your email list, because you want to use this AI lead magnet to build your email list, because as they say, and it is true, the money's in the list. So they're going to enter their name and their email, and they're going to say, yes, I want to see this device in action, because we're calling on this idea of just how easy it is to build the ultimate off-grid generator. And all they have to do is click yes. That puts their email on your email list, and now they have access to this lead magnet, as well as the link here, which is your affiliate link, by the way. When they click that, you guessed it, they click that, they go over to the sales page, they start reading the sales page, and then they see the video. They watch the video, they're like, yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for. And then they click add to cart. If they don't, then you continue to follow up with them with this offer. Or if they do, you continue to follow up with them with like offers over at the Clickbank marketplace or any other marketplace where they have good offers that you want to promote to actually help people. So here's a look inside of the tool called Lead Creator. There's a link in the description. You can check it out, that built this lead magnet. Now, I did have to copy and paste this image from the sales page and add my affiliate link, but really all that you understand here, or all that you need to understand, is that the tool here, Lead Creator, created this page using AI, which I'm going to show you here in a second. Then you click on the email capture form, and then you just set up the template that you want to use. In this case, we use an ebook style, and I added that same image that I copied from the sales page. But there are other options here. There's the standard option, there's the ebook style, there's what's called a blurred button. You may or may not have seen this. This is a really cool, intriguing way to get people to opt in. Then there's also the video. So if you have a video here, you could play that video and then entice them even further to want to add their name and their email to get on your list and to ultimately discover this secret. Then there's also the no email capture form, which essentially this just becomes a page where you can share that with your email list or your audience. We'll go ahead and go back to the ebook style. Then you just set up the form field here, and we're just putting in a little bit of copy here. Discover just how easy it is to build the ultimate off-grid generator. This copy came straight from the sales page, and you can have the AI do that for you as well. There's the image. And then you can set the styles by changing the button color right there. And then also you can set a trigger. In this case, it was the half page blur. There's also the blurred timer and the on mouse scroll. But the big thing that you need to understand, that in easy mode, this lead magnet is being created for you with the power of AI. And once you have this created, you can simply always ask AI right in here to change this or to enhance this, improve writing, fix grammar, make shorter, make longer, add checklists, do all kinds of cool things. Once you have Lead Creator inside your account, you'll just go to the home screen and you click this green button to create a lead magnet. Here you'll name your lead magnet. In this case, it's the ultimate off-grid generator. We'll just go ahead and go back to Clickbank. We'll copy that. We'll make that the name. Here you can set a category. In this case, it could be Clickbank offers. It could be offers that are in this off-grid power generation niche that you're in. And then here is the easy part. You select the template. You can ask ChatGPT and interface directly with ChatGPT, just like you would if you had a ChatGPT account, and then it'll build a lead magnet. Or you can use one of the other templates, 5, 10, 15-point listicle. You can do YouTube transcript to ebook. You can summarize YouTube videos. You can create micro courses with image and video suggestions. You can create a maximizer here for a frequently asked questions, or you could just create an ebook. We'll go ahead and what we'll do here is we'll just go raw ChatGPT. And at this point, we're just chatting with ChatGPT, or Lead Creator is going to chat with ChatGPT, and that is part of what you get inside of Lead Creator is the ability to prompt OpenAI and ChatGPT and then have that content written directly here inside of your lead magnet right here inside of Lead Creator. So we're going to start with this prompt. I want to get leads or attract people that might be interested in this product. Create me a problem solution lead magnet that identifies the problem in this product as the solution using the information from the sales page. And then here, I'm going to paste in the information from the sales page. I'm going to do that by going back to the sales page, and I'm simply just going to Control A, Command A, and I'm just going to copy everything on this sales page because AI is going to do this for us. Here inside of Lead Creator, we're just going to paste this in. And again, we're focused on easy mode, creating a lead magnet based upon the problem that we've identified or that the sales page is going to identify. The AI is going to pull out the problem and identify a solution inside of our lead magnet, and then we're going to click Create. And remember, this is doing this all in the background, but there's 13 different templates that you can play around with. And essentially you have 13 different types of lead magnets. And you can see here, it's prepping your content for maximum lead attraction, and it's creating all this in the background. And then once it's created, all we have to do is go to the email capture, set up the email capture form, and we are putting leads onto our email list, following this proven strategy where we generate traffic over to an offer. And the first time people see our offer, it's a super simple lead magnet like you're going to see here in a second. And then the ultimate goal here is to add people to an email list. And eventually we'll automate that, and then we'll profit and scale following the 9-step roadmap inside of affiliating, or any strategy that you want to follow. But this is a strategy that I use, the strategy that I recommend to go along with the lead magnet that we just created here. And you can see slash your energy bills with the ultimate off-grid generator. And then you can, of course, get rid of the word introduction. That's just AI being AI right there. And then you could highlight this right here. Are you tired of watching your energy bill skyrocket month after month? Then you could say, okay, let's make that a heading 2 right there. Let's center that as well. And then let's highlight that. Let's highlight that in red so it stands out. And then let's make the text white so people understand that this is the problem. Are you tired of watching your energy bill skyrocket month after month? And then you can see the problem, rising energy costs, the solutions, how to implement the solution. And then here again, AI being AI, the conclusion, a call to action. This is just so you know that this is going to be your call to action. You're going to get rid of that. And you're going to see down here, click the add to cart button now and join thousands of satisfied customers who have already transferred their energy consumption. Now here you can ask the AI to improve this by saying, please make this a benefit-driven CTA to get people to click to learn more about the solution. And then here you just hit the up arrow. The AI is thinking. Again, you're in easy mode here because the AI is doing all the work. And then you can just replace that selection. And then again, what you're doing here is you're going to center that. And then you're going to say, okay, well, let's make this text. Let's go ahead and just make this an H2. And then we'll do the same thing that we did a minute ago. But instead of red, we'll make a green because green is go. And then what we'll do here is we'll make that white again. I just like this for some reason. Well, this line height, let's go ahead and let's bump this up a little bit, or let's spread this text out a little bit to make it a little easier to read. And then also while we're here, the default is 30 pixels. Let's go ahead and bump that up to 32. And then what we want to do as well is we want to click here, and then we want to add a link. Of course, this link will be your affiliate link. And then once you set that up, you're back to where we started and you have this problem. And to find out the solution, they have to add their name and their email address and opt into your email list. Then once you create this page inside of Lead Trader, you'll be able to see the number of visits, the number of leads, the conversion rate, and you can see all these for all the lead magnets that you're creating. And this is the power. This is the simple formula of utilizing AI to build an email list and then looking for offers like this example we used over at Clickbank, and then create a lead magnet that identifies the problem, gives them the solution, which is your offer as an affiliate that ultimately solves their problem. To see Lead Creator in action, check out this next video. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.